In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a strip showcase gallery to a Wix website. Start by logging in to your Wix account and opening the website where you want to make the change. Once your site is open, click Edit Site to enter the Wix editor. Inside the editor, go to the left side toolbar and click Add Elements, marked with the plus icon. From the list of available elements, select Strip. Wix will show you different strip designs that you can use on your page. Choose a strip layout that includes multiple columns. Then drag it into the section of the page where you want your showcase gallery to appear. After placing the strip on the page, click on it to open its editing options. Then select Manage Columns. This will let you control the structure of the strip and adjust it to match the type of gallery you want to build. Add more columns if needed, or reduce the number until the layout fits your content. Next, click on one of the columns and choose Change Background. This allows you to upload a new image, or select one you already have in your Wix media library. Pick an image that represents the product, service, or content you want to feature in that section. Once the first column is set, repeat the same process for the other columns so that each one has its own showcase image. When your images are in place, move on to the text and buttons inside each column. Click into the text boxes to edit the headings and descriptions so they clearly present what each section is about. If your layout includes buttons, update the button text and links so visitors can take action, such as learning more or viewing a specific page. After that, review the overall appearance of the strip. You can resize the strip itself if it needs more or less space on the page. You can also adjust the width of each column to improve the balance of the layout and make sure the images and text display neatly. Once everything looks the way you want, click Preview to check how the strip showcase appears on your live page layout. This is the best time to confirm that the images, text, and buttons all display correctly and that the spacing feels right. If everything looks good, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.